Welcome to Market Snapshot from the Incred Equities Desk. In this podcast, our expert from the Equities Research team helps you navigate the stock markets with a quick roundup on the previous day's closing, along with relevant insights.
Good morning, everyone. Nifty had again a weak session. It went below 23,400, decimating the critical supports of 23,460 and invalidating the previous counts. We'll have to work with the fresh counts now. Though there was a bounce back of 100 points, almost 100 points from the low point rate towards the trading session. Broader markets, Nifty, Bank Nifty, all of these indices ended well in red. Nifty Bank was especially vulnerable, closed almost 750-800 points lower towards the trading session. Not much of a recovery in banking names. It was IT which gave a support after TCS came out with numbers. It was perceived to be good. It was up 5%, 6% in a day, and other IT stocks were also up, not in the same proportion, but they were positive, and that ensured that Nifty did not fall too much. There was not much of a crack coming in Nifty. Apart from that, almost all the sectors were down, and broader markets were reeling under pressure. Starting with Nifty mid cap and Nifty small cap, both the indices have been in the correction phase in line with what we have been talking about. Nifty small cap is still near the channel support area, horizontal channel support area. However, Nifty mid cap 100 has given a breakdown from a rising channel pattern, and we may see some more corrections sort of coming in. Nifty 500 has also reversed from 15-year, 16-year ascending channel pattern, which can again result in some amount of pressure going forward. Coming to Nifty, Nifty has invalidated first set of counts. The next count comes that wave B that we talked about earlier would now be finishing somewhere around 23,265 to 70, and if this is sustained, we may see a bounce back towards 24,100. If Nifty goes below this, it doesn't need to have a close, but an intraday move below 23,260, that would mean that we make a fresh swing low. This was the previous swing low that we had witnessed, and that makes also it a fair case of a double bottom formation if this level is sustained. So an instance where Nifty goes below this would mean that Nifty is still in formation of lower tops, lower bottoms, and the pain will continue. Nifty can head towards 22,800 in a relatively short bit of time. Though the benchmark indices are witnessing positive divergence in hourly charts, nevertheless, we need confirmation sort of coming in to play for a uphill. Going forward, I would suggest if Nifty today opens around 26,300 or around 20,250, 265, one can look to buy and keep a stop loss of 20,200, play for 24,000 levels. Between Nifty and Bank Nifty, Nifty looks better because the counts are more clear in Nifty. The setup is more clear in Nifty. US markets closed lower. They have also been vulnerable. They were down 1.5% toward trading session. GIFT Nifty, however, is not showing a massive drop. It was down 200 points on Friday, but now it's showing around 90 points cut. FI sold around 2,200 crores worth in cash. Domestic bought around 4,000 crores worth in cash. Not much of fan selling activity happening, and because of that, we may see some sort of bounce also coming in. The FI long short ratio is also tilted towards extreme zones. FI is at as of now holding 15% longs and 85% shorts. This figure going towards 90% shorts and 10% longs. Such extreme figure generally tends to result in a short-term base formation happening. So that also shows that we may see a bounce sort of coming in. So as I said, do not be in a hurry to buy. Let us see where Nifty opens. As long as it sustains 23,265, things are fine, and we may head towards 24,100. Place your trades accordingly. That is from my side. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.